Alright, so I got some fart sounds connected to my speaker. And I'm gonna prank some people, hopefully. There it goes. Alright. So I go talk to some people. Oh, sure stinky, isn't it? Yeah, I think I'm, I think I'm gonna go get in the bathroom. God. Oh! How y'all doing? Bite. Oh! Help me! Help me! Oh! No! Oh no! No! Oh no!